installment. Well, let me do it from here. This is the first installment of From Drab to Fab Makeover. No. Well, From Drab to Fab Home Edition.
Produced by Kenneth.
This is why he don't be in nothing. But this is how the counter is coming along. I just kind of set this right here. That's probably not actually gonna stay, but it kind of doesn't look too terrible. And then I have a different hand soap. This is gonna be changed out, and then I have something that I'm gonna like DIY to set this on top of. So that'll be cool. I'm kind of debating on the green. I don't mind it, but at the same time, I don't know. I'll show you guys the inspiration picture. Of course, some of this stuff is like old stuff that we had. Like we already had this rug. We already had this, which used to be gold. I think I got footage of spray painting that.
Nothing. I just enjoy life.
These were a different color at one point, so I just spray painted that. These little baskets that you see came from Dollar Tree. No, yes, Dollar Tree. The little basket down there as well came from Dollar Tree. These, I already just had a bunch of these in like these little glass jars that I've just saved over time. They used to be candles. Got a few new candles, which came from Dollar Tree. This came from Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to put something on here. This will be for lotion, but, you know, kind of DIY, jazz it up a bit. And then I got the shower rod, so I need to take this outside and spray paint this black. So that it can go up there, because we'll have another layer of curtains, which will be blue. This just came from, what is this brand? Dollar General. Everything basically came from Dollar General, Dollar Tree, except for these towels came from Walmart. These are probably the most expensive, and they were only like $8 or $9. But those are really cute. They actually had the big towel, so I don't know. I'm kind of thinking if I don't do the green towels that they could be black and then the black and white on top. As you see, there's mainly the black and white. But I guess it'll really make a difference once I get these blue curtains up. Oh, I also got another rug to go right here, which is black and white printed. So it just brings some more print, but I guess we'll see how that looks. So I picked up these 3 picture frames from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and make some leaf pictures. But like 3 of these could be cool. I also thought about spray painting some of these and seeing what that looks like in there, because I do like the black leaf photos. But I also really just love this green. And I just picked these outside. Black again, since I have black spray paint, but I do want to try to recreate the same brown, like that kind of wood effect on these frames. Hopefully this turns out how I want, because I think that added touch of brown, which I wasn't necessarily going for before, but I really love it. to the end of this video. I feel like it's taken me forever to get this bathroom complete, but I am excited to show you, and I hope you guys are just as thrilled about seeing it. I'm open to suggestions on things that you think I could have done differently, or even just hearing about the things that you would have done differently if it was your bathroom. Be sure to let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let's go check it out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did. It took us a while to get here, but I'm excited about the finished product. If you'd like to see videos like this or want more, then be sure to just let me know in the comments below. I do have a couple of other home decor ideas coming up for the rest of the apartment. So if you're interested in seeing that, then definitely be sure to comment, subscribe, and like, of course. I don't know if you can tell, but I am exhausted. These dark circles, the whole 9 yards. So thanks again for watching as always, and I will see you in the future.